brochure. Yes. Yeah, looks like this. Here it's everything was in the box. Soap, auto shampoo, car shampoo. This is 500 milliliter. You use 10 milliliter for 1 liter. This can be 5 liter. Okay, here is the brush. It's cool. This is the car kit, and that is cool because I bought this only for washing my car. So here is the pistol, the gun. There. Here is the wheel. Okay, you should put them together. Here is brochure. Here it's how to put these things together. It's like this. Okay. Different tools. Yeah. Plug and play. So first of all I should make these wheels on this one. How this, I can put this little bit away. This should be all like this, I think. Yeah. There is power. I think like one wheel is in here. Should be like this. Yeah, that's one. And it's not so difficult. There is another one. There is this. And then we should have this black. This one should be like something like here, I think. Okay. Not there. I think it's like this. Yeah. So easy. It was not many steps, and now we begin to look a little bit better. There. So, yeah, this plastic here is now bigger than the whole machine together. This one can go like here. This. Many manuals. Yeah, it's easy. Okay. Yeah. So this is the new little washing machine from Kärcher. Very interesting to test.